Hello everyone, I am Parul, a dedicated IELTS content creator at PAIC IELTS Learning. And it is my pleasure to introduce you to our exceptional IELTS program. At PAIC IELTS Learning, we are not just about teaching, we're about fostering growth and ensuring that our students attain their IELTS goals. We understand that every student is unique and their needs differ. Hence, our IELTS program is crafted to cater to every learner, irrespective of their proficiency in English. Whether you're just starting out or you have been speaking English for years, we have a course tailor-made for you. With a comprehensive plan spanning 150 intensive days, we provide extensive practice and mock tests across all levels. This approach guarantees that you walk into the IELTS exam well prepared and confident. For those who might perceive the IELTS exam as a formidable challenge, at PAIC IELTS Learning, we strive to shift that perspective, ensuring that our practice tests and instructions demystify the IELTS for you. Our commitment goes beyond group sessions. We pride ourselves on offering personalized attention to every student. This means that each student benefits from a bespoke training program, reflecting their strengths, areas for improvement, and goals. It's not just about achieving a score with us. It's about unlocking the doors to your dream destination. As you take the significant step in your education or professional journey, know that PAIC IELTS Learning is right beside you, cheering you on. And let's embark on this journey together and make your dream a reality. I wish you all the best. Thank you.